Hello, we have a different video today. I'm in a new apartment, I moved out, and today I want to show you exactly what's going on here. Alright, so I officially moved out and I'm living on my own. Today I'm literally just going to show you exactly what I'm living with here in my new apartment. A little bit more of a personal video here just to show you exactly what's going on in my life, and if you're interested you can hit that thumbs up button if you like seeing a video like this. Comment below what you'd like to see more of. Let's get right into this. I'm in a new build condo here. So there's 24 units in this building. I'm at room 104. I'm in the hallway and it's 6 a.m. so shouldn't be too loud. But we're gonna go inside. I'll show you the room. Right when you walk in, this is what it looks like. Nice big open space. I chose the most open layout possible. I got this new floor mat here. Right to your left. Open up this little closet here, hang your jackets. I got a gym bag here, some shoes, another floor mat. Walk in, got my work desk right there. We're going to have a couch there. The TV's gonna be mounted on the wall there. We're gonna move this desk eventually over here, actually coming up in a couple days. This is what I use for recording. Full body mirror, just bought. We got a balcony here. We got the bedroom right there. We got the washroom there. Nice, massive open space. This beautiful kitchen. This is the reason why I got this one. There's a lot of different layouts, and this one had the most open, spacious living area and kitchen. So kitchen's huge for me, right? This is what we're working with. Looks beautiful. Everything is new. Nothing's been used before. We get the laundry right there. At first I was like, I don't know how I feel about this, but then I was like, this is very convenient, so I'm loving that. Fridge is there. We got all the appliances I moved in. I got a few things to unpack, but so much space. There's so much cover space. I can fill up the world. Look at all, we've got space there. We got space there. There. Wow, it's a lot. I have endless space to put stuff in, so I'm fired up, and we got more to show you. Look at that view, right? So we're gonna check out this balcony. We'll go check this out. We'll take a look. All right. Always got to keep it locked. You never know who's gonna hop this fence and try to hop in my place, right? Walk out, bang, bang, bang. Look at that. That light. Let's go back inside. Let's show you the rest of the place. We can't waste any time here, folks. Gotta make sure I lock this. Don't want anyone to steal me at night. I'm still moving in some stuff. I moved in most of my things. I still need to buy a couch, a dining table, and some chairs. But other than that, I'm pretty much set here. I do still need internet, so I have no internet. I'm going to Starbucks every time I want to use the internet. Basically 80% of my entire day, which I'm actually really enjoying. Just using this space to eat, do the little things I need, get ready, go out, work at Starbucks, come back to eat if I need to, and then go back to Starbucks. It's just a 5-10 minute drive, so I don't mind it at all. It comes with underground parking, so I get my own underground parking spot, which is key for the winters, because them Canadian winters, the snow is not good. All right, back to the tour, okay? This is the bedroom. We're gonna walk in here. It's nice size, beautiful. We got obviously the bed there, some pillows, night table, a lamp, closet here for the clothes. That's what we got there. I just bought that mirror. Bought the mirror yesterday. That's what it looks like from this angle. A lot of space in here too. Obviously all closed. All right, that's enough of the bedroom. Nothing special in here. This is the view. Next up, what do we got? We got the washroom. We got this shower here. It looks small. We're gonna go in there. You're gonna see there's lots of space for activities in there. We got this counter space here. I was gonna go with the option with bigger counter space, but that other layout had too many cons. So ideally the place I chose is amazing for what I want. I just bought this toilet paper holder because we didn't have one at first. So we got a good shower here. We got a solid shower. And that's what it looks like from this angle. Back out we go, my friends. Back out we go. What else we got? That's basically it. That's my whole place, right? We don't really have much else. I love it. This is so nice. I'm so excited. It's so sweet. $1,500 a month plus utilities. That's what it comes out to. So it'll be about $1,600 all in each month for rent. Signed a 1-year lease. Real fired up to just pump out the content here. Just need to get this internet sorted ASAP. I've been pretty chill with it. No rush in my mind, honestly. I wasn't rushed, but I'm starting to want to get that handled. And that's about it. I'm actually gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go to the gym and hit a workout. If you enjoyed this vlog, this little layout here, let me know. If there's something you'd like to see more of, leave it in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.